Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the .NET Framework Initialization Error on Windows 7 in 2026 step by step. So this error usually appears when you open the older apps or the installers, and these are some of the quick fixes that will get everything running again. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to enable .NET Framework 3.5 in Windows features. For that, click on the Start menu. Then simply look for the option of Control Panel. Once you are here inside the Control Panel, simply click on the option of Programs. Over here in the Programs, you will see the option of Turn Windows Features on or off. Here you need to look for the option of .NET Framework 3.5 that includes 2.0 and 3.0. You need to check the box and click on the option of OK and let the Windows install the required files. Once the installation is completed, simply click on the option of Start icon again, then click on the option of Power Window. Over here, you just have to click on the option of Restart, or basically you need to restart your PC. Most of the Windows 7 apps depend on this version, so you will have to do this first step. Now here you can also repair the installed .NET Framework version. For that, inside the programs itself, you just have to look for the option of uninstall a program. Here you need to look for any of the Microsoft .NET Framework entry. Once you are able to find it, simply just right click on it and click on the option of repair if it is available. So this also fixes any kind of corrupted files that trigger the initialization error. You can also install the latest .NET Framework supported on your Windows 7. Many of the apps that require the newer .NET versions like 4.5, 4.6 or 4.8, you can download and install the latest version that still supports Windows 7. After the installation, you just have to reboot your computer and you are done. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.